Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, what's up? My name is Caitlin, and today I'm doing my color Curate unboxing, unbagging, whatever you want to call it, for the month of May. This is what the bag looks like. Every month you get a new bag that has like a really fun design. I have like a pile of them over here. This is May's. It's got like a bunch of lipstick bullets all over it in various shades of red. This is So Susan Cosmetics. And then there's a little zipper. The bag is super light because I actually got a product outside of it. So let's go ahead and take the card out first so we can see what that looks like. It matches the bag. I think this is like $20.95 a month if I remember correctly. I could be wrong. Also, if you guys hear any weird sounds, I apologize. It's been storming on and off for like the last hour, so if you hear that, I'm sorry. But we'll go ahead and dive into this guy first. Also, this is a completely cruelty-free, and I think usually vegan subscription service. So that is, of course, awesome. Okay, so I'm gonna save that bubble wrap. But this is the first product. It's a little smushed. So Susan Cosmetics Aquarella Deep Hydrating Serum for the face and body. Okay. It is a full-size product for sure. It is huge. Ooh, the packaging is really pretty. I like that. There is lipstick, or there's hair in my lipstick. Obnoxious. My hair is still wet, so it's driving me crazy. This retails for $48. Okay. It is cruelty-free and vegan. I really like the packaging. I love that flower and the like rose gold lid. I think that's pretty. This hair is gonna drive me crazy. Got it. Okay. So let's go ahead and do a little swatcheroo here just because, well, why not? It's for the face and body, so we'll put it on my hands. Ooh, it smells good. It's just white. It smells like orange creamsicle, very reminiscent of the highlighter that we got, the liquid highlighter. That I said smelled like orange creamsicle that I believe was also So Susan. This smells just like that. Really good. Avocado oil, carrot, rosehip, and everlasting flower extracts. Treatment cream has superb reparative qualities, assisting in the healing of stretch marks, signs of fatigue, and helps skin retain moisture over time. After application, skin is left feeling refreshed, soothed, and comfortably soft. You're supposed to use this morning and evening on a cleansed face, neck, and body. You can wear it under your own moisturizer or on its own if you have oily skin. So this was a good product for dry and oily skin. Oh my god, it smells so good. I like that it's for face and body, and I love that it's supposed to help with like so many different things. So far this is one of my favorite products that we've ever received from Color Curate. This is nice. I like that. I like that a lot actually. Okay. Next option. Next thing in here is also bubble wrapped. And this, oops, I popped the bubble. I can't open it. There, okay. This is by Trifle Cosmetics. It's Eye Candy Highly Pigmented Eyeshadow Duo. Retailing for $14. Okay. I don't know if I'm gonna swatch this or not. Let's see. So I don't really use like singular eyeshadows, so I don't think I would use an eyeshadow duo either. Oh, it unscrews like that. Yeah, really, really pretty colors, and I like Trifle Cosmetics eyeshadows, but I don't want to swatch something I know I'm not gonna use. So I'm gonna save this and maybe, I don't know, give it to a friend or put it in like a future giveaway or something. So that's fine. I mean, trying out eyeshadows like in a duo is fine. If I was somebody that didn't have like an obnoxiously large collection, I'd be down for that for sure. They're really pretty colors. I love purple eyeshadows. Okay. Tiger Lips by Jelly Pong Pong. I'm pretty sure I have one of these. If it's the same color, I'm gonna be very upset because you guys know last month I was not a happy camper. It's in the shade Predator. Let me see if I can find mine real quick. Do I not have it anymore? I might have decluttered it, or I haven't used it yet, one or the other. I don't know, there's like nothing to tell me what kind of color it is on here, so I don't know where mine is currently, so I guess we're gonna swatch it. And if it's the one I already have, I'm gonna be upset. The one I already have is like a cherry red color. Oh yeah, no, I don't have this. Looks like, oh, I know. Yeah, I threw this away. This is the product that I got, that I swatched, and I was like, this is disgusting, I'm pretty sure. That's a really pretty color though. Yeah, this one doesn't smell expired at all. It smells like minty, like peppermint. That's really pretty. I'll actually use that. I didn't get a cleanup wipe. Not a cleanup wipe, but a makeup wipe. I'm so bad about that. You would think with as many of these videos as I've done over the last like 4 years that I've been on YouTube, that I would remember to get a makeup wipe ready. That's real pretty though. I like that color. And that retails for $12. The one I had was like a red. Is that the thing I threw away? I can't remember. Okay, last thing in here is by Trifle Cosmetics, and this is Bon Bon Bling Lustrous Potted Pigments. I think we got some of these already too, and I have decluttered both of them. Dutch Cocoa, just because I don't really wear stuff like this, but if it's a really pretty shade. Ooh. It's like a deep eggplanty, purpley brown color. Oh, I don't know. Do I want to swatch that or do I not? I think I want to. Okay. I'm gonna feel bad if I open this and then never use it, but like I really kind of want to. This retails for $15. Let's be real, you guys are here for the swatches anyway, so like, let me oblige. Oh, I remember these stupid little. I love it when companies have like these little seals on there, but I like them when they have like a pull tab, because this is hard. Oh, okay. Oh, way too much, way too much. Oh, so pretty though. Ooh, very gritty. Very, very, I don't know if I want to put that on my face. Ooh, yeah, I'm not gonna put that on my face, but that would be really pretty for like a New Year's Eve or like a Christmas nail. So maybe I'll put that over with my nail polishes and use it for that, because that's really pretty. Okay, quick recap. Let's do that. This thing, I might like this. I'm gonna use it on my nails for sure and see if it works. I'm not 100% sure it's going to work on the nails. It doesn't say what it's for really, maybe on the box. Coat your skin in silky, lustrous glimmer. Choose from various shades of dessert-inspired fantasies. Using a flat brush or with fingers, apply pigment onto face, body, or hair in a delicious layer of color. I don't want to put it on my face. I'm going to put it on my nails. So, not exactly what it's for, but I am excited to use it. This is real cute, and I'm sure whoever winds up with this will love it, but I just don't want to swatch something I know I'm never going to use, because I don't use single eyeshadows. The only single eyeshadows I ever use are like my Makeup Geek ones, and here lately I haven't even been reaching for those much, so there's the tea on that, I guess. This I'm really excited for. I'm definitely going to put it in my basket full of moisturizers over there. I'm currently using this one, but once this is up, I think this might be the one I start reaching for next. I'm excited about this. That's one of my favorite products we've received from them so far. What else did we get? Oh, I'm indifferent about this. I really can't remember if this is what I had that I threw out or not, but I might have to watch my videos back and find it. But this is a really pretty shade, so I am excited to try it. And the bag is real cute too. So that's everything. The other thing I love about Curate is they do put the total value on here. So adding all these up, they also say that the bag is limited edition, worth $12. So taking that into account, it is a value of $101. So that is awesome. And also everything I have for you guys today. Don't forget to like this video before you go. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any more of my future videos. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.